Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about total MTD function. So how to calculate month to date, we are going to see in today's video. So please try to watch all my previous videos. So I'm going to explaining each and every example with a different functionality, different use case. So please try to watch. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step. So what I have done here. So before getting into the details, let me explain what are the tables I have imported into this Power BI desktop. Okay, so if we see here, we have customer table and geography, product, sales territory, dim date, and the product category, subcategory, fact, internet sales. So these are the tables were imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to look into so what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. We are going to see in the model tab. Okay, click on the model, just navigate, so scroll down here, scroll down a little bit. So now we can see, I'll try to zoom in. So now you can see I have already established a relation between these dimension table and fact tables. So if you notice here, so all these are dimension tables only. Okay, and this is the fact table. So if you place the mouse over here, in between we can see some kind of color highlighting. It means that the relationship between the dimension table is one direction to the many and one to many relationship. Okay, so even you can notice the direction of the relationship also. Like that I have established the relationship remaining tables also. So in one separate video I'm going to explain all these options, how to build the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. But in today's video we'll try to understand how to calculate MTD in today's video. Let's go to the report tab. So now you can see it's a matrix as well. So in the first high level we have year as well as next sorry, it's month level. After that we have day level. So I'll try to explain what kind of measures I have created for this one. So first one is total MTD. How to calculate total MTD for month wise. Okay, we'll go to the demo measure table. Here we'll see that. So here by using the total MTD function, I'm calculating the month to date for each date wise. Okay, so we'll see. And if you notice here at year level we are seeing some values that is not correct. Okay, but in 2001 in this context the sales is 4090, but it's giving 1051. When it comes to 2002 the total sales 200k, but when it comes to this one it's not showing at year level. Okay, it is showing at end of the month in this context. Okay, in 2001 December month sales at 1051, but when it comes to 2002 it is showing 49k. Same thing it's showing, it's not showing at year level, it's a different sales. So how to correct it? So in case if you want to show the in this context you want to show the year level, how to do that we are going to see in this measure. Okay, in this I have created a separate measure total MTD one. So how to do that we'll try to see. So here I'm checking if the it's getting filtered year month date level, then give the total MTD. If it is not, I mean if it is not getting filtered by three of them, then give the total sales. So it means that if it is getting filtered only at year level, give the total sales for this context. When it is getting filtered by year, date, month, then only give the total MTD. Like that I have written a separate measure for this matrix as well. That is the reason we can see that at year context level also we can see the 4090, and in 2002 also same, 2003 also same, 2004 also same. It is giving properly. Even I'll try to drill down to further level. For example, this is the month level, right? When I expand to date level, we can see that it's getting adding sum up. Okay, now you can see, right, summing up. But if you notice here, some of the dates we don't have do any transaction. For that also we are getting the blank. So how to correct it? See, for this date, for 12th of July we don't have any sales, even though it's showing total MTD same value whatever the previous we have done MTD for that this month, same thing it's getting displayed here also. In this case we don't want to show like this. So how to overcome this issue? We have created a separate measure also, and moreover I have created a conditional formatting for this measure. I'll try to show that is also. Go to the total MTD one, so click on conditional formatting, so font color, so it's displaying here. So based on the color scale I'm just giving the colors for this font. Okay, if it is the lowest value it gives this color, if it is the center in between the value it gives this color, if it is the highest value it gives this color. Like that we have enable the conditional font color for this conditional formatting for this measure. Okay, so in this measure I have created a separate measure to eliminate the, if there are no transaction, there are no sales in this date, we do not show this kind of sale. So how to do that? We will try to see this measure, total MTD2. Okay, total MTDs. See here at filter we are taking filter condition. So by using filter function we are validating if the date having the sales or not. We are just filtering what are the dates having sales, only consider it. If the date doesn't have any transaction, just ignoring that. So due to this it's giving the correctly, we are calculating total MTD month to date only the dates which are having the transaction sales only. If the dates did not have any transaction we are just ignoring it. Okay, like that. So we are calculating, and now it's we don't see 12th July date in this, but here we can see that. I'll try to take the snipping. See here we don't have any sales, but here we are just ignoring that this date because we don't have any sales, right? Like that I have created a separate measure. So we'll go to the different page. So here I have taken separate visual. So here based on the year and month we can see visually how the trend is going on. Okay, monthly date, for example June, how it is July, March, May, March, August in 2003, how it is in 2004. I think we don't have sales, we have sales up to July only, so we can click on June. So we can analyze how the sales are happening up to month date for each month wise, and so based on that we can take some decision on this. Okay, and also we have separate page. So here I have created a separate measure for this. So I'm just based on the filter condition how to write total MTD. Okay, so I have created a separate measure. So if you look at here, so I have added one more condition here, that is I just want to show the only Canada related month to date sales. Okay, I have just added one more filter condition here, that is I want to see the country is called Canada. So how to create this expression, we'll try to understand. For example, if I did not select Canada here, so we can see 222, so 4446888, but we have sales something, right? So this is the overall sales. When I click on Canada, only these dates we have sales. Okay, when I click on the Canada, so only we can have one July 1st, July 19th, July 24th, July 25th, July 30th. So only we have these much sales for this month of July month. But when I didn't select Canada, so we can see whatever the dates we are having the sales, we can able to see here. So that is the reason we can able to see 2 2 2 4 6 8 something like that. Now we can see the month to date 2 2 4 6 8 8 plus 26 34. It's giving properly only. Okay, so we need to understand little bit here. If we apply any filter condition while calculating month to date for any useful under. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching.